Unlocking free time. The power of time on one's hands. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, time on one's hands. It's a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we unlock the secrets behind this expression and how you can use it to enhance your English fluency. The phrase, time on one's hands, refers to having more free time than usual or being in a situation where you have nothing urgent or important to do. It's that period when you can relax, pursue hobbies, or do anything you like without worrying about the usual daily responsibilities or deadlines. Imagine a weekend or a holiday where your schedule is completely open. That's having time on your hands. This expression likely comes from the way we perceive time as something we can control or allocate, similar to holding something in our hands. Over the years, time on one's hands has been used in various contexts to express the idea of leisure and the absence of pressing commitments. In English, it's often used in conversational settings to explain why someone is able to engage in leisure activities, start new projects, or simply relax. For example, since I finished all my work early, I've got some time on my hands this weekend. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. With the children at summer camp, I finally have some time on my hands to start painting again. He had too much time on his hands, so he decided to volunteer at the local community center. Now that the project is complete, I've got a bit of time on my hands. Any movie recommendations? Notice how the phrase can be adapted slightly. Some time on my hands, too much time on his hands, to fit the context of the sentence. 1. Context is key. Use this phrase when you want to emphasize having free time, especially in a way that's unusual for your normal routine. 2. Variations. Feel free to adjust the phrase slightly to fit your narrative, like using a lot of time on my hands or a little time on my hands. 3. Practice. Try using the phrase in your daily conversations or writing exercises. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, time on one's hands. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations and writings. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and phrases, it's about understanding the context and culture behind them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English learning content. Happy learning, and may you find yourself with some enjoyable time on your hands.